Are you tired of struggling to stand out on Etsy and watching your hard-earned profits disappear into their fees? As a digital products creator, I've been there. In today's video, I'm sharing why I'm moving away from Etsy, and how owning your own website can make a huge difference in your business. Hi, I'm Allison, the founder and owner of ABC Organizers Unlimited. I provide tailored solutions to enhance your productivity, help you accomplish your goals, and achieve work-life balance. Let's start with the downsides of using Etsy as a platform for digital creators. When you first start selling on Etsy, you quickly realize there are some significant drawbacks. The competition is intense, and many of the listings aren't even original. Many sellers use master resell rights or even copy designs from others, leading to a flooded marketplace. This not only drives down prices, but it also makes it incredibly hard for genuine creators to stand out. Plus, Etsy's fees can eat into your profits, and their policies often prioritize their own earnings over the success of their sellers. The best alternative to using a marketplace is selling on your own website. With your own website, the competition is significantly lower, and you don't have to fight for visibility against hundreds of similar products. You control your pricing, so there are no price wars, and you get to keep more of your hard-earned money with lower fees. Most importantly, it's all about you and your customers, no drama, no distractions. This allows you to build a stronger, more direct relationship with your audience, and create a brand that's truly your own. So, if you're a new or seasoned creator looking to build a sustainable business and avoid the pitfalls of platforms like Etsy, consider setting up your own website. It's one of the best decisions I've made for my business, and it could be for you too. If you need help with this, feel free to reach out or visit my website for more information how I can help you in your business.